This is a sound comparison between the Yamaha EF2000 IS generator and the EF2400 IS high capacity generator. Both of these are very good units. The 2000 watt series being very light and easy to carry. They're both very quiet. They're both running right now. Despite the 2400 being almost 100 cc's more, there's very little sound difference. I'll switch one off at a time here. Both very good units. I would recommend either of them. I got the 2400 so we could run the air conditioning. And this 2014 Keystone Hideout.